Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. American car brands have a rich history and loyal following, but they're not without their issues. From electrical gremlins to inconsistent build quality, these vehicles often face criticism despite their classic appeal. If you've ever wondered why some American-made cars struggle with reliability, you're not alone. In this video, we'll break down the most common problems owners face, from engine troubles to unexpected repair costs. Whether you're shopping for a new ride or troubleshooting an old favorite, knowing these pitfalls can save you time and money. Let's get straight to the details. Reliability issues in American cars. American cars have had a love-hate relationship with reliability over the years. While brands like Ford and Chevrolet produce some rugged, long-lasting models, others have gained notoriety for persistent mechanical and electrical issues. If you've ever dealt with sudden breakdowns or mysterious warning lights, you know the frustration firsthand. Let's look at two of the biggest offenders: engine and transmission failures, along with electrical headaches. Engine and transmission failures. Some American-made engines and transmissions just don't hold up like they should. Common complaints include poor fuel efficiency, older V8s, like those in certain Ford trucks, and turbocharged 4-cylinders, Chevy's 1.5L Ecotec, often underdeliver on promised MPGs. Overheating, Chrysler's 3.6L Pentastar V6 has had widespread cooling issues, leading to blown head gaskets if neglected. Rough gear shifts, Ford's PowerShift dual-clutch transmission, used in the Focus and Fiesta, became infamous for jerking, slipping, and premature failure. Over 2 million vehicles were recalled for this issue alone. These problems aren't just minor inconveniences. When parts like turbos or transmissions fail early, they often come with 4-figure repair bills. Electrical system problems. American cars tend to be hit or miss with wiring and electronics. Some patterns stand out. Faulty wiring. GM trucks and SUVs, 2014-2018 models, had repeated issues with flickering dash lights and faulty alternator connections. Infotainment crashes. Ford's Sync system has frustrated drivers with freezing screens, unresponsive touch controls, and Bluetooth drops. Battery drain. Certain Jeeps, like the Wrangler JL, are notorious for parasitic drains, leaving owners with dead batteries overnight. Unlike mechanical failures, electrical gremlins can be harder to diagnose. One day everything works, the next your touchscreen goes dark, no warning. The takeaway? Not all American cars are unreliable, but when they fail, they tend to do it loudly and expensively. Build quality and material deficiencies. American-made cars have a reputation for toughness, but some models suffer from cheap materials and rushed assembly. Thin paint, brittle plastics, and flimsy trim pieces are common culprits behind early wear. While foreign rivals often prioritize long-term durability, some domestic brands cut corners to keep costs down. Interior wear and tear. Peeling paint on buttons, cracked dashboards, and sagging headliners plague certain American models far sooner than they should. Owners report cheap plastics. GM interiors, like those in older Chevy Malibus, develop sticky surfaces and cracking after just a few years of sun exposure. Fabric upholstery. Entry-level Ford models, such as the Fusion, often have seats that fray or fade faster than competitors like Toyota Camry. Loose trim. Dodge Journey owners frequently complain about rattling door panels and dashboard pieces falling out of place. OneCarComplaints.com user described their 2015 Chrysler 200's interior as looking 10 years old after just 30,000 miles. That's not what you expect from a near-new car. Exterior durability concerns. Chipping paint, dent-prone sheet metal, and rust bubbles are recurring headaches. Some models stand out for the wrong reasons. Ford F-150, aluminum body, while lighter for better fuel economy. Early models, 2015-2017, showed excessive paint chipping along the hood edges. Jeep Wrangler JL. Thin factory paint leads to rust spots on door hinges, especially in snowy climates with road salt. Chevy Silverado wheel arches. Many owners report corrosion spreading behind factory undercoating within 5 years. A side-by-side comparison tells the story. Park a 10-year-old Ford Explorer next to a same-year Toyota 4Runner, and the differences in paint fade and body panel gaps are hard to miss. American brands are improving, but material quality still lags behind Japanese and German standards in key areas. Poor fuel efficiency compared to competitors. American cars often fall short when it comes to miles per gallon, and the reasons aren't hard to spot. While competitors like Toyota and Honda focus on squeezing every drop of fuel efficiency from their engines, many US brands stick with thirsty power plants and outdated tech. The result? More trips to the gas station and higher long-term costs for owners. Larger engines and their drawbacks. There's no denying the appeal of a roaring V8 or a turbocharged beast, but bigger engines come with trade-offs. American automakers have historically prioritized raw horsepower over efficiency, and that mindset lingers. Here's what that means for drivers. Worse fuel economy. A Chevrolet Silverado with a 5.3 LV8 might deliver 1517 mpg combined, while a Toyota Tundra's twin-turbo V6 hits 1922 mpg without sacrificing towing power. Higher maintenance costs. More cylinders mean more parts that can wear out, from spark plugs to fuel injectors. A full tune-up on a V8 costs noticeably more than a 4-cylinder. Short-term savings, long-term pain. Sure, gas prices might dip occasionally, but over 100,000 miles, even a 3-4 mpg difference adds thousands to your fuel budget. This isn't just about trucks. Even American sedans like the Dodge Charger stick with bulkier engines, while rivals like the Honda Accord offer hybrid trims that double their efficiency. Lack of hybrid and electric options. Foreign brands surged ahead with hybrids 2 decades ago, but American automakers were slow to follow. Even now, options are limited compared to brands like Toyota, which offers hybrid versions of nearly every model. Here's where US brands lag. Fewer choices. Want a hybrid Ford Explorer? You've got one option. Toyota offers 3 hybrid SUVs in the same category: Highlander, Venza, Grand Highlander. Delayed electric rollouts. While Tesla, an outlier, dominates EVs, legacy American brands like Chevrolet and Jeep only recently entered the market with models like the Bolt and Wrangler 4Z. Tech gaps. Many American hybrids still use older battery systems, while brands like Toyota and Hyundai have refined their designs for longer life and better cold weather performance. The bottom line? If fuel economy tops your priority list, American cars often make you choose between compromise or paying extra for the few efficient models available. While newer trucks and SUVs are improving, they're still playing catch-up in a race that foreign competitors started years ago. Thanks for watching Part 1. Stay tuned for Part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.